Zakir Naik's tour to UAE. This Ramadan on 16th and 17th June 2016. Welcome to witness the dynamic expose by Dr. Zakir Naik.
Dr. Zakir Abdul Karim Naik.
In his public talks organized by the Department of Islamic Affairs and Charitable Activities, Dubai, under the patronage of Sheikh Ahmad bin Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum at the Rashid bin Muhammad Ramadan gathering.
Today, the most important weapon in the world is the media.
Inshallah, on Thursday, 16 June 2016 at 10:30 p.m. after Taraweeh.
And we find today,
Dr. Zakir highlights manipulations and impact on society about Islam
propaganda regarding
in media and Islam, followed by an open question and answer session at Zayed bin Muhammad Family Gathering, Khabanij, Dubai, UAE. And inshallah on Friday, 17 June 2016 at 10:30 p.m. after Taraweeh.
Please feel free to ask any question on
Derive
Islam
apt and
compiled
satisfying answers from Dr. Zakir Naik
And I want to ask this question.
in Ask Dr. Zakir, an exclusive open question and answer session at Zayed bin Muhammad Family Gathering, Khabanij, Dubai, UAE. People from all faiths are welcome. Admission free. Dr. Zakir Naik's tour to UAE.